So Teresa, tell us how the tropical storm is going.
Okay, this is the weather forecast we use for Fox. I'm standing out here. The weather is pretty bad. It's raining. We used to have an umbrella, raincoat, rain boot. So I'm doing pretty good, except it's a little windy. At one time my umbrella almost flew away. So, doing pretty bad. As you can see, it's raining really hard. And right now I am in someone's backyard. And their whole clubhouse is wet. And that's the clubhouse. And there is a really pretty strange road. There's a very long stem over there. Very strange. That is our news for today. Have a good night. And hope you stay warm and